I am so excited to take you through how I build lists, with my team and for my clients. My name's Justin. I run Prospecting Done For You, and we are all about generating new leads and getting more appointments on the calendar. That's what I'm doing. This list right now I'm building is targeting salespeople for a challenge we're doing. So we're doing this challenge to teach people our exact prospecting process. Because let's be candid, I can't do this for everybody, but I can help everybody. So I'm going to be taking you through how I build a list, the tools I use, what I do in order to go out and generate more appointments. So what I'm going to do right now is I am going to just dive in. Now, if you want more information about the challenge, if you scroll down, there's going to be a link. Just click on it. We'd love to have you join us. Do the work so that you can get the results. So I scroll down for that. And this is the same process we do day in and day out for all our clients. And with that said, let's get started. So first thing I'm doing is I'm going to share my screen. You'll see we do everything through LinkedIn. LinkedIn is an extremely powerful tool, especially Sales Navigator. So I'm going to jump into Sales Navigator, and then I'm going to, right up here in this search bar, I am going to start with what geography do we want? So we are going to be focused on the United States. I am focused on salespeople. I want to help salespeople who are trying to improve their prospecting activities. So that's the target for this campaign. So we're focusing keywords sales, and let's look through. Now, this is one of the things I love about Sales Navigator. For one, you can see exactly up here in the top how many results based on what you put. So just in the US for sales, we've got 22 million results. That's a lot of results. Super cool. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to narrow it down by industry. I love working with industrial automation and people who sell into the equipment. They sell equipment into manufacturing plants. They sell robotics, conveyors, palletizers, different stuff like that. My main client right now is in that world, and we're getting 2 or 3 leads a day based on this sequence that we're going to be training throughout this campaign. So I know it works well in their industry, and that's great because I have social proof to say, listen, yeah, this is exactly what we're doing. This is exactly it. Like, look at this. I'm going to open up this just for an example. This is an email, a response that I got basically half an hour ago, right? A great response. And we will be taking that and using that to generate a relationship. And that is what this entire process is about. I am trying to start the relationship. So that's what you need to be doing when it comes to prospecting. You have to stand out and you've got to start somewhere. So knowing who you're targeting is huge. Like I said, like industrial automation. So you can see based on this, I've got 68,000 results so far. Now we can scroll down and see, do we want people who are owners? Like what level of an organization in the organization do we want them? For this, I'm actually going to target entry level and managers, because I'm wanting to get people involved that are doing the actual work, right? I want them to come in and help, and it's $47. So if you can't invest that, maybe sales isn't the right role for you. Not to be rude, but something to be thinking about. All right, so you can look at years in the company, you can look at different functions, titles. So let's see, so there's sales. I was looking to see if they separate it based on I'll add business development as well. All right, then any company filters, not gonna worry about those, and no other filters. So now I'm gonna go ahead and hit search. So on this search, you can see we've got 26,000 results, 444 job changes. We've got 3,000 plus that posted on LinkedIn in the last 30 days. So this is crucial in my opinion, because if they posted on LinkedIn in the last 30 days, that means they are active in LinkedIn. And so what our approach is first thing we're going to do is we're going to create this list and we're going to connect with these people on the list to start the relationship. After that, we're going to go in, we use a tool called Seamless AI. That's what this blue is. And I'll do another video on that later. But Seamless AI lets you go and, for example, you could click Find All. And it's going to find all the information from this search, right? So now I can click View. It will open the database, and now I can see those leads. It's researching email addresses, phone numbers, so that I can go out and prospect to them. So it starts on LinkedIn. It starts with Sales Navigator. And once we have Sales Navigator, then we're connecting with them there. We're also reaching out to them through Seamless AI, through direct cold emails, and we can pick up the phone and call them. Now for this campaign, I am only selling a $47 challenge, right? A 5-day challenge all about creating this prospecting process. I'm not going to be doing cold calls to build these relationships. My goal is to get them interested, get them to our landing page. Once they're on the landing page, we'll be doing retargeting ads. We'll get them hopefully on our email list, and using the email campaign, hopefully they convert into a client. So that is our plan to start the relationship and to serve these folks at the highest level possible. So this process that I just took you through, a real quick overview, we'll be going a lot more in depth during our challenge. So you can ask questions and you can dive in and say, hey, I'm trying to adjust. I'm trying to find these people. It's going to be very interactive, and it's going to be all about how can we get you the results that you are looking for. So if you'd like to join us, again, that link is down below. Let me know. If you know someone else who is in business development and they're trying to figure out, how do I use LinkedIn? How do I get more sales calls on the calendar? I'd appreciate if you share this video with them. Even just seeing how LinkedIn works can be incredibly beneficial for people. So with that said, I hope you have a great day, and let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget to share this with someone who might need it.